Hello guys, in this chapter we will learn that how to we import the buildings boundary means outer lines in the QGIS. So let's go we start now. First we should be come here. You can see the HCM GIS. If you don't have this tools, you can download from the internet. Here is the base map. So many base maps here, but we'll use only Google Map here. Just open it. Already it's open. Zoom out your desired area. Which area you want to the data. I want data this area, and I will choose one place. There are a congested buildings. Okay. Zoom out. Yes. Yes. So here is the more buildings. Okay. So this area we will capture means this all building boundaries outers. This is, you can see this polygon all are the buildings. So first we have to go in their vector, and here you see QuickOSM. If you don't have this plugin, you can download and go to the plugin management, and you can install it. Okay, so just here QuickOSM. Just I'm going to click it here. Okay, the message is the network somehow problems, but we'll see, no problem. Then you see this pop-up, the preset, and here the query on all keys means keys and values. What is this things means? If you want to building, then what is the values? If you don't know, then just go help with the key and value. Then the OSM OpenStreetMap website has open here. See here you can see the many things are, you can create the API and many things, but you come to getting help about the keys and values. Just once you click here. Okay, then OpenStreetMaps will be open. See now it's open. You can see here the wiki.openstreetmap.org wiki map. So you can note this, otherwise no need, because we can find the easily to in our QGIS here clearly write help with key and value, so you can choose from here. Now map features, in map features you come to down here, OpenStreetMap something you see many things are here. You just come down. Here you can check the many things are there. Okay, this is more OpenStreets in language. Many things are here, and you see this main page there. Here blogs, discussions, many things are there. Okay, so you can choose here, and I am choosing, click here map feature, then you will get this one, and see the primary features, aerial views, aero views, amenities. This is the main things. These things, amenity is the important things here. Okay, and come see boundary type, attribute, and second one you see the buildings, how many types, accommodations, commercials, religions, and civil amenities, and agriculture, plant production, sports, storage, like this all buildings are in this area. Next one, most important, is that you go to in the highway, then you see the road, link road, special path, they all are here. So mostly we are using these two things, highway and buildings. So this is a highway and road. Just you click once here, okay. Now you come this highway. This is the key name, or this is the value. See, highway, motorway, highway trunk, highway primary, highway secondary, highway territory, highway unclassified, highway residential, and highway money. These things here you see. So this is the key and values. You can choose there. Okay. I think you understood. We'll go back and we come into the buildings. See the building, just click once here, building, apartment, है ना, barracks, bungalows, cabins, as many are there here, farm building, farmhouse, and here description, all things they wrote already. If you want, you can see. We'll use the building and residence mainly. So let's go in the our QGIS. Here quick maps, you write here building, building, okay. Just here key, you can see I am giving apartment this things, so just I am leaving it blank, just writing building. This important one things, area where you want this data, which areas your desired locations. So a village and town there nearby you can do, or we can go the canvas extended. It's okay. Now the red color message has hide or nothing. Do just once you do here, just click run query. Yes, you see, successful. We get the message here. Just we can close here and here minimize. You see, these buildings are residence buildings, are special buildings already downloaded. Now you see that these buildings polygons here, okay, and again you go to vector QuickOSM, okay, right here just building, okay, building, then come here and write the apartment, or you can write the residential, then just choose it, map. Let's we click query, run query. Yes, it's not accepting, something is the problem. Then we have to come to in commercial, then run query. It's also not accept. Just come apartment, it's not accepting. So cancel this and come here, another buildings, apartments, houses, building, houses, industrial building, houses, okay. You see the building and houses automatically has come. Map canvas extended, just click once. Successful query but not result. Something is the, I think, the net problem, okay. And let's we once try again here, building, industrial building, building, industrial, and run query. It's not also okay. I think the OSM is the problem now. My net is the very slow. So another things we have to try, vector, QGIS. Okay. Then we write here H highway. This is the highway. Okay, nothing, we put the value. Otherwise, you see the values are must here. But first time we not putting the value. And see map extends canvas query. Just run once. See that now it is the successfully query. है ना? 2 layer is there, pointed there. है ना? Anas, we try again. Other things, grasslands, governments, healthcare. We'll see here construction, highway, corridors, crossing, and cycleway, bus stop. Just we try here cycleway. Yes, not success because there some APIs problem now this time, and I will see the next in the special queries. Okay, now you see the road here, buildings are here. You see now this road. Okay, now we want to save it, then just click here and go and export save feature as in, if you want direct in DXF AutoCAD, then you can the DXF. Otherwise is save file. Yes, and you can change your CRS from here, then here. Okay, like this, and you choose your file name where you want to save. You can save. I don't want to save it. And same procedure, this highway, this is the point. You can see save. This also you can save. This also you can save. And buildings, just you want to, if the boundary is, then you do one thing. Say click here and go to this properties here. See here export styles. Then go to in properties. It will be open here and shows symbols. You see this is the polygons. So if you don't want, then you can make the opacity or just color. You can choose the color like the simple click here. Okay, if you don't want any color, then you can choose here simple here any pattern colors you, if you want, you can see. Or if you want only outline sample line, then you choose the only outlines here and apply here, then say okay. You see now here exact in the boundary, you can see this one. Like this you can download the buildings and this roadway lines, center lines, because especially if you want the any infrastructure project surveying, then we need something like that. Okay, thanks for watching. In next video we are going to start the a pipeline project. So first chapter will be started in the next video. Thanks for watching.